Welcome to my channel. For today I'm going to show you how to make chips masala, and before we start, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to get anytime I upload a recipe, you'll get notified. So for today, the ingredients for the chips masala are onions, coriander leaves, dhania, garlic and ginger, turmeric, chili, which is optional, salt. I have some ketchup I've mixed with some chili sauce, and a tablespoon of garam masala. So let's start making our chips masala. So in my pan I have like about 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'll add my onions, so when frying our chips masala, don't use a lot of oil since we had deep fried our chips or our potato fries. So here the essence of putting some little oil is just to saute the onions and get them soft. So you just use a little oil. So don't use a lot, guys, because your chips masala will tend to be so much oily. Just use a little depending on the quantity you're making, and also so that you don't get your chips masala to be so oily. So we just put a little oil to saute our onions. So our onions and garlic have softened up, so it's now time to add my spices. I'm using garam masala, turmeric powder, and also some chili. The chili is optional, you can put it according to your taste buds. For me, I love my masala a bit spicy, but not so much. And also, guys, it's good to put your spices at this stage and not when you've already put your tomato sauce, because in this stage it helps the spices cook, and also you won't feel that raw taste of spices in your mouth. So I'll just cook my spices for about a minute, and also it extracts the extra flavors of the spices. And also I'm going to add some salt. Some people don't add salt in this stage, while some people add the salt when their chips masala is ready. So any can do, guys. So right now I'm going to add my sauce. Mix well so that your sauce can get the flavors of the spices and blend well with your onions and spices also. So I let mine sit for about a minute so that the sauce can get all those flavors. So I'll just wait for a minute. So my sauce has simmered for a minute. As you can see, it's thick and all the flavors have blended well in my tomato sauce. So what I'll do, I'll just add my fries now. Turn my flame down and just mix in my chips, or my French fries as you call them. Also, when you're putting your sauce, it matters how much you want your chips masala to be saucy. So mine, I don't like them so dry, so I'll always add a little bit of tomato sauce. I always like add a little extra. I'm cooking my masala so that they don't tend to be so dry. I just love them how they look juicy, as you can see. So our chips masala is ready. So our chips masala is ready. Some people call it masala chips, any can do. So at the final stage, what I love doing is just sprinkle some coriander leaves and give it just one quick stir. Yeah, and you are good to go, guys. My masala chips is ready. You can have it with kebab, you can eat it as it is, sausage, samosa. Yeah, it's to your liking. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you so much for keeping it locked, and see you at my next cooking video.